Welcome back to Virtual Reality. My name is Thomas and you're watching VoodooDE VR. Perhaps you're wondering, why is Voodoo now in his green box room and where's the normal intro? I can tell you, because of this. This one here. Guess what's inside? Correct. This is the Catwalk C. In this video I will unbox it and let's check out what's inside the box. At this point I really want to thank Bombardur or Fritz van Toesi from my community that he decides to send it first to me so that I can unbox and test it, and later I will send it back to him, and that's so great. Thank you so much. So guys, let's do an unboxing now. I hope this is gonna be awesome. I can tell you this is so heavy, 70 kilogram, and I had to do it alone because the guy from the logistic service didn't help me. Oh my god. So yeah, we will unbox that now. You can find everything about VR and AR on this channel thanks to my sponsors VoodooDE VR, Oppermann Events, Peter Wasmeier, Andy De Velzer, VR Ambassador, Virtual Escape and Adam's Group. Let's have some fun with the video and let's go.
VoodooDE.
So guys, let's open this box. Oh my god. It's so heavy, it's so damn heavy. Here are some instructions how to open that. It says cut the packaging tape. This were two tapes here, I cut them. Then lift the box cover, and the third, take out the components one by one. Assemble the device according to the instructions. Yeah, so I lift the box now. I already did an unboxing for my German channel, so I know what's inside, but let's check it out. So heavy. Okay guys, I hope you can see that. It's really difficult for the camera because I cannot do this on my unboxing desk as usual. So here are three packages. The first one is a huge one, this one here, and I can show you what's inside. These are the two holders here for holding the body on place. Look at this. Looks great. And it's this one, and then we have two other packages here. This one. I will show you what's inside. The first thing is, here's a small package that says Cat VR. And here we have, it looks like two tracking devices. Look at this. This one here. It has a micro USB port here and a small reset button. And here inside, I can show you as well, there are two cables for charging them. Two micro USB cables here. That's what we got inside this small package here. Pretty cool. Let's get that back. I want to have everything in place when I assemble it later. And it's this one. And then we have the belt. This is the belt where it holds your body here on place, so you can run on place. I will not open it now because I want to check the instruction first then, but this is how it looks. Ha 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 ha. Wow. Absolutely awesome. Yeah. Then, let's get that back. Here is some important tools. Look at this. Here we go. We have two gloves here. Then we have the instruction manual. We have a static eliminator. Then we have something to mount the cable on the wall, I think. Long screws. Plastic caps for the screws. Oil. Then small screws and tools. That's what we got inside here. Looks pretty good. And I think we will definitely need them to assemble that. So let's put that on the side here. And then we have another package here. And that's really heavy. The first thing is we have the shoes here. I'll show you. Look at this. This is exactly my size, although it's not for me. That was really good. Look at these shoes. And most important, look at this. And this is some stuff that you can remove. And there is some replacement parts inside here as well. I can show you. So if you use them for a long time, I think then you can just replace the parts. So, and the next thing here is there is a packaging list. Ooh, yeah, look at this. I hope you can see that. What's inside here? A lot of stuff, a lot of stuff. And then whatever that, let me see what that is. I have no idea what that is here. It's very heavy and it's something like a mechanism here. I don't know. Something to mount your shoes, whatever. I'm not sure what that is, but I will see that later. Oh, I don't need to put that inside the bag because after this video I will assemble that. Then, here you go. This is another package thing. And here, look at this beauty. Look at this beauty. Awesome, right? Look at this. Wow. It's so slippery. I think they put oil on it. I don't know. Yeah, that's the thing. And here are 4 of these, whatever that is. These are the fixing brackets for the sides. I think that it stands on the ground. We have 2, 4, 6, 8 of them. In every corner are 2 of these things. Yeah. So let's put it back. Put it here. And the other one, there's the same thing inside. And here's the same thing inside. And here as well. So 8 of these brackets. And here we are, guys. Here we are. It's too heavy to put it from the plate here. I need somebody else to help me later. But I can lift it a little bit. There is a wooden plate here, and for the transport, the catwalk is mounted with some cable holders, but they were broken already, and that's bad. I don't think something is broken here, but they really should fix it better so that it will not break during the transport. That's very important. That's what I really noticed already. So I will show it to you from the bottom. Give me a second. Here. Look, here's the thing that moves. It can turn around 360 degrees. Yeah, you see that? And here's the USB cable that will be connected to the PC. And here it says Catwalk C model WK31. Great, right? Looks really good. I'm totally looking forward to that. Ha! Wow. Yeah, let's put it back then. It's heavy. It's definitely heavy. And yeah, I will see what I can do with that. So yeah, that's it for the unboxing now, guys. And now I need some days to learn about it. I have no idea. I tried a lot of VR treadmills. To be honest, I didn't like any of them so much. So I hope this one is better. We will see. And yeah, I need some days to prepare a review and gameplays. And after that, I have to send it back, of course. to Bombardier. And I'm looking forward to try it for you, to show you the setup, to show you games that you can play, and of course my opinion about it and where you can get it. So guys, I hope you liked the video. If yes, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe. It's so heavy, guys. It's so heavy. Subscribe to my channel. And if you want to support me and get behind the scenes videos, early access to my videos, then consider to pay $1 per month on Patreon or YouTube membership. That would be awesome. Thank you for watching and see you next time in virtual reality. See ya!
VoodooDE